Lefty loosey, right? No, this is not loose.
That's right.
Oh, you're right.
What's good, y'all? Back at it again, another video. Today we're gonna be working on Darsh's car again. I have to go pick him up from the GO station, and then we're gonna head to Canadian Tire, grab some tools, a jack, sledgehammer, and yeah, then we're gonna try and get the car lower. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when I go pick him up or when we're at Canadian Tire. Crazy.
What do we need, bro? I wanna do this. This is what your dad beat you with, huh?
Yo.
Where the jack's at, though?
Tools hardware.
Where are we?
I'm following you.
Yeah, we at Walmart right now. We don't even know where we at.
This is not even Walmart, bro.
This is basically Walmart. Oh, word. I scratched my paint, too. I forgot about that.
You know, if you check on the website, it tells you what aisle they're in.
You know that. Aisle 7, bro. Like
7, that's the whole...
I can't even count that high. We about to waste an hour looking for like all of this stuff. Aisle 30.
Numbers on the other side of the aisle. Bugging.
Oh, word.
But that's the one. 169. That's the kit.
Word, is that what I even want? Like, do I really need this? Do I need this in my life?
Ooh.
Oh my god. Yo, this is. Oh, hell. Oh.
Hey, yo! This guy's balling today.
Hold on, that one's $20 cheaper though.
What's the difference?
It's $20 cheaper.
It's like it has less tools in it.
But it's $20 cheaper, like, yo.
Bro.
Oh, hell no, this thing has a sticker on it, so.
Yeah,
This is open.
Blitz, old 3s. And you're talking about $20. GMRs. My bad.
Oh, these are sledgehammers?
No, it's just oh yeah. $40. It's on sale.
Ooh, this one's 35 though. Look, this one's like fiber. Test it real quick on your
Test it.
This is how they be playing golf, bro. This is how they be playing golf. Yo. This thing's heavy. Yo, hold it. You try this. Yo, hold on, bro.
Yo, I'm not sure if there's a worker in the back watching.
Oh, this is what I need though. Damn it.
What? Oh. The sockets already?
Wait, that's just $100, you know? I'm gonna have to buy it. I need one. I need one too. I'm gonna buy one.
I didn't know Twitter was that expensive, bro.
No, they go higher than that.
We trying to buy all these tools.
What are you guys talking?
Wheels and stuff and car stuff.
What cars you guys have?
Wait, you say yours, bro. Oh, yeah, you said plural, so you gotta start.
Got an Evo 10 and a 10 Gen Civic SI.
Alright, that's right.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
I just got an FRS.
On bags.
Your bags?
You got the sledgehammer.
We talking money now, right? $269?
$269.
$40. That's
You
$300.
got whatever this is.
Yo, I forgot everything what we need. The jack. How are we gonna lift up?
Oh, that was on the bottom.
No. But I thought we was done, but no, we still need the jack.
Ah.
Yo, you know where you can find the jacks at?
That and the actual, like,
Jack.
what do you want, hydraulic or air?
I want like the cheap stuff. I mean, you know, you know, like, the one that you just like hydraulic, I think. I am not taking the box. We taking the box to the bottom. Bottom. So lift it, bro. Take this one.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Oh. Got the jack.
300.
It's like a band right here.
Yo,
Low key?
I'm walking out. If it's over 600 with tax, I'm walking out.
No, it's gonna be over. It's like, well, that's like 240.
300 basically.
300, 240.
That's not 240. That's on sale again.
160.
I think this is like 300. we not using the hammer. We're
The guy's shaking his head.
I'm not eating lunch for a month.
A month is crazy.
I should have put this on payment plans, bro. I'm gonna call my bank and ask for that, bro.
Look at this guy. This guy's scratching up the wit. I'm joking.
Yo.
El Darsh, man. Damn. Damn.
I forgot to angle my phone. Let me angle this. I'll be static. Look at that Tesla. Look at that Tesla. It's a real man's car right there. Hey man, shout out to that guy. He saw that torque wrench. He saw that torque wrench. Like, yo, I might have to buy this too. Oh look, guys.
This was the last one too.
Cobra chicken, guys. Look at Cobra chicken.
Reverse in or?
I'll have to bring the car out now.
Oh shoot.
I mean, we could work on it in the garage. You could like park on the side of the road here though. That's fine. Just reverse. Yeah, you have to point that way, I think.
Point what way?
This way, because you can track oncoming.
Oh, you want me to turn the other way? Because the stuff's in the trunk.
Oh.
That's how I'm like, why don't we park it, move stuff in, wherever you want. I don't know what you do. Bro.
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah.
El Darsh, man.
Facts.
Alright, so we're back at Darsh's now. He's pulling out the car right now. Darsh back at it. And not to scratch his fender this time.
Fender, I'm trying to scratch the paint of everything. Thank God I brought these pants with all these damn pockets.
Uh-oh. Oh!
Ooh.
This guy dropped the fender. This is all the progress we've got so far.
Can we hammer it without
Nah, hell no. Hell no.
just put like a glove over, I mean a towel over.
It's currently snowing right now. And yeah, we got the jack. Yeah, it was just t-shirt weather now. Out here snowing. We got the jack ready though. But I'm not sure how much I trust that. He's struggling.
We're not even on the main part yet, man. We kick it. Oh wait, there's something on the sides.
Big brain.
Why can't it be that black? Oh, damn. Lefty loosey, right?
Yeah.
No, this is not loose.
That's right.
Oh, you're right. You have to jack it up mad high, huh?
Not really.
I'll go
As long as it's off the ground. Oh, if you had the wheel, yeah.
Dog, it's like 8 p.m. I'm sorry to my neighbors, man. Yo. Why are you laughing? Oh.
Yo.
We're going this. Aim. Dog, you try this. This is like, you can't aim this. I'm not trying to hit my caliper. Ooh, that was a good one.
Yo, rip to your neighbors.
Just who cares, bro? It's called renovation. I just want to see if it makes a difference. Yo.
Oh yeah.
What do you mean, oh yeah?
It's all they flared up here and people like, damn. First hit him like the edge here.
That is so loud now. I got it though.
Locked in. You guys locked in right now.
I feel it kind of like. Like all of this.
What up?
Oh, it's still gonna hit here. Oh, my back.
Hey, yep.
Yeah.
What the fuck's going on, bro? Holy shit, bro. You say it, bro. It's freezing. Oh my god.
Clapping this out right
God.
now.
Oh my god.
Get the light, get the light, get the light.
I don't got fucking, I didn't bring no tools. I brought my SSRs, so you wanna check them out?
Oh my god.
This is not a 215, bro.
Oh my god.
This is nuts. I never had tires this stretch before, bro. And I bought your tandems, bro. This
They
is
were
fucking
in stress
crazy,
like this,
bro.
yeah.
I know. But look at it, bro. They're 9 kegs. You can fucking do whatever you want with 9 kegs. Oh, you already got your man.
Oh,
Bro,
yo,
we did
bro,
it.
what do you mean?
We did it. Here, take a look.
Look at all that clearance now. That's a lot more than. That's a lot more than before. You can fit your whole freaking head. Yeah, you can do more, but
Way more. Are you dumb? We go. We're on backs for a reason, gang.
yes, sir. So far, a success, but
Nah, bro, that's W clearance, bro.
yeah, it's good clearance.
Can I do it or you want to see it?
That's good.
Flexing on us. Flexing on us.
One day later.
It's already recording.
Bitch, when I go out, I ain't just paying for me. I was just trying to show all of my love, but now it's about time that I'm keeping it peak. I've been a part of the big baller club, but now I'll be balling like I'm in the league. Again, need ball, get bucks. I wake up and left it up back. Little shawty, little bad, she pouring me up. She finna go pour me some drink. Just think about how fucking stupid you sound.
I was gonna be like so nervous. Yo.
Okay. We got Kyle driving the SI right now. Yeah.
Bro, this thing's worth more than the fucking my line of credit right now.
This guy wanted. Look at Erickson.
I know my haters will take a pic if they see me. I know my haters feel blue when they see me with green. You got going to boost on your muscle. You got to get up and learn how to hustle. Bring the Glock at that boy when it touch.
Where's Eric? Oh, you can barely hear it. Yeah, cause it's like right on the hood.
Alright, we'll roll up and then you can go get back and
Hey.
Hey, yo!
Hey.
Guys. Bro, the guy behind you is about to do a poll.
What?
Yeah, he wants to hear how he installed the new intake and he wants to hear it.
Oh, what a jackass.
Typical Honda man's, right?
Alright, I swear, man. Be a BQ then.
Alright, show me what you got.
I can hear it.
You just let the truck go or what? What the fuck's going on, bro?
This is not a lie drill, nigga. This is not a fire drill, nigga. This the real thing. Gang, gang, yeah. Fuck that bitch at nighttime. Daytime she don't see me. Acting like an ass.
Am I good?
Yeah, you're good.
Niggas still identify. Put a bigger dog food on you, can you flip it? Sipping lean like Paul Wall, I might just put a grill in. Boy, go get your paw paws chilly with the bitches. You know me, pull up.
This guy's gonna wash his car right now. He's saying something's burning, but he's tripping.
Something's burning. You think it's all the bones in the engine bay? Look, get a video of it.
What the hell?
That's gotta be what's burning.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all that, bro. What the?
So nasty though.
Yo, we don't know how to cook out in here, bro. Look at all those bones. Oh, yeah, like a fluid. Like a fire.
What the fuck?
You thought it was gonna be milky? Oh, y'all scaring me, man. Y'all doesn't smell like coolant. I have 2 bottles of coolant if you need. This guy's so perfect. I think it's just all that stuff burning. Hey, man, if this thing catch on fire, hey, there's gonna be one less.
Why are you so
rectified
negative,
kid.
man? You're always so negative.
Yeah, it's not a fire drill, nigga. This the real thing. gang, yeah. 8 and 1 pop, yeah, we drank like it's normal. I fuck, but I seen her with her man play the chorus. Put him in a UIP, unimportant person. My jeans patch with zebra stripes, tigers and some horse skins. I don't got no bar, but these hoes say I'm adorable. Faded for like Harlem, my bitch while we serve. Faded to get off, he won't make it serve. Lucky dumb, keep going.
Yeah, right.
Bitch online, say she
God.
I got a pint on Amazon.
What's up with that short dress?
She got on both take a person.
How is it drying?
You know I'm a dope.
You mean it's
man.
Everything from my house to here, my neighbors are probably like, what the hell is this?
got like IRL chat here, bro.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you gotta remove the banner, bro. We spit all that B-roll without the banner, bro.
Yeah.
Fuck.
It's funny, huh?
Damn.
Clothes on close, I see 6. Line up, she leave a mix. Just got shout, she freak. I gotta see her before she leave. It don't matter where you go, but she gotta get away from me. If that's your hoe, that's my hoe too. We got mutual fleeing. She so evil, yeah. She might never ever get